Hey guys, how's it going? Well, today, today I decided to just go back to drawing. I've been doing lots of sculpting, enjoying that, lots of fun. But the drawing situation always brings me back. I always seem to go back to it. And the particular style that I draw, I tend to go back to again and then again and again and again. But I love it, right? And it really, I don't know what it is. It kind of really makes me nice and relaxed. I kind of get everything out, you know? And sometimes I think that's what art's about. You're putting your emotions into something and you're showing, right? And that's a great feeling. So I decided that I was going to sit down and do one of my little drawings. And this time, what I did was I used pen and ink. I went back to old school. And I used to do it when I was a kid, but I never liked it because it would be like dip, dip, line, right? So I thought about it and I thought about it and I thought to myself, I know what I'm going to do. I went and I bought the nib, but I put it on the end of a brush, right? So popped it on so that when I was dipping, it kind of held a little bit more ink. So it kind of gave me a little more time to just work things out. And I think it shows up in the drawing. And I really, really enjoyed it. It was so much fun. So when I was a kid, I was kind of like, it doesn't work right, But now, I loved it. It's cool. It's wonderful. So, as I was about to say was, do the whole like thing if you can do that for me. Do the old bell for notification and subscribe if you haven't already. But if you have, then please, just remember, I'm your favorite dyslexic artist. Unless I'm not your favorite dyslexic artist, which is okay. I'm okay with that. Yeah, fine. Not a problem. See other people if you need to. Anyways, have fun, guys. See you at the end of the video. So there you are, a drawing of mine done all faces, but I kept changing it up, make thick lines, thin lines, have fun with it, right? And I just kind of like doing that stuff, right? Just kind of just poof, releases everything. And a couple days I've been kind of a little bit like, right? Just little things that are happening in the world, or a friend has a problem, and you just kind of like, ooh, all those emotions. And yeah, I do like doing the clay, and it really helps me sometimes with just using my fingers and making that three-dimensional situation. But just sitting down with the old pen, taking the time, drawing the lines, and just letting it happen, right? No direction, no thoughts, just kind of keep drawing, keep drawing. That's what I like. I like it just to flow out of me, right? And it makes it fun. So, have a wonderful day, be cool like a big bull moose, and remember, wherever you go, there you are. It's true.